Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Xiaomi Poco F4 GT smartphone, and in this video we would like to demonstrate how you can download the Fortnite game on this device. So as we all know, unfortunately you cannot get the Fortnite from the Play Store directly. So in order to play this game, choose any search engine that you'd like. In my case I'll go with Google. Here at the search bar type in Fortnite Apk. At the search results, look for the official epicgames.com website. Go for it. Here, tap on this black Get It on the Epic Games app button and download the APK file. Next, open it. In prior of installing the Epic Games launcher, we'll have to allow the Chrome to install apps from unknown sources. So go to the settings, here turn on the switch. Select this I'm aware of the possible risks and assume all possible consequences voluntarily. Wait for the OK button to become active and tap on install on the Epic Games launcher. Next, after the Epic Games launcher is installed, we gotta open it. Here in front of a Fortnite game logo, tap on this black Get button and then tap on install. Here we'll need to do the same stuff we've done for the Google Chrome, therefore allow the Epic Games launcher to install apps. So go to the settings, turn on the switch, wait for the OK button to become active again. And tap on the install button as for the Fortnite. Now we can just go ahead and open up the Fortnite game itself, and all that it's left to do is to wait until the Fortnite will download and install all the needed resources and updates, and right after that you'll be able to play the game itself. Alrighty, so that was it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!